All right, welcome back now. Houston's housing market is going to look a bit different in the new year. We've been seeing changes coming in already. We've got Cathy Trevino with the Houston Association of Realtors with us. Thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you so much for having me.
When we started to see the interest rates go up, we finally started to see the housing market cool off a bit. So we're going into the new year. What do you think is going to, what are we going to be seeing?
Well, I think that we're going to see normalization of the market. So
Okay.
I think we're going to go back to pre-pandemic history, basically. The market is definitely taking a cooling, but it's actually very cyclical around this time of year as well. So it's kind of hard to see whether it's a cyclical market or if it's really having an effect on what's happening with interest rates.
Yeah, we started seeing prices come down a bit, and the inventory was improving. It's not great yet, though, right?
No, I mean, well, it's definitely better than it has been for months, and actually we're seeing all-time highs from 2020. This is the most inventory that we've had on the market. We're sitting at about 2.9 months of inventory right now, which is great. More opportunities for buyers.
Some people have been kind of sitting on the sidelines. Maybe they started looking for a home, but they felt a little overwhelmed by how competitive it was. So they're wondering, when is a good time to kind of hop in?
You know, I think right now is actually a perfect time to hop in because there's not so much competition right now. It's a great time. There's a lot of inventory on the market, a lot more opportunity for buyers. You're not having to sit and go with multiple offers. We're not seeing that as much at this particular time. So it's actually a great time to buy.
Are we still seeing a lot of investors buying up homes?
We are, and I think that that's something that we'll continue to see. Real estate is a great investment, so we are seeing investors into the market, but we're also, it's just a great time for buyers to jump in to take advantage of the higher inventory.
Before we were buyers that were buying, perhaps they were buying a smaller home because prices were going higher, or they were buying fixer-uppers. Are we still seeing that kind of an environment where people maybe need to think a little broader in terms of what they might be open to?
Yes, I mean, there's all kinds of opportunities out there for buyers, and if you're looking for a home, most people are looking for a home to stay in there long term. And so the main thing is you want to make sure that you're doing your homework and you're finding a realtor to help you be able to do that. And so this is a perfect time to make sure that where you're wanting to live is something that you're going to want to be in for the long haul. And we want to make sure that buyers understand the market. And so be sure to get with a realtor to make sure that you can get all of your questions answered. We're all there to help you.
People might be wondering, well, are we going to see prices go back to what they once were, or are we just going to kind of stop seeing them climb at quite the rate? What are you kind of expecting to happen with home pricing?
I think that you're going to see a stabilization of home prices. I don't think that we're going to go deep dive into prices where they were back in 2019 or 2017, because Houston didn't have an influx in prices as quickly as they were like in the West and East Coast, and so we're not going to have a deep dive in prices. I think we're going to see more of a stabilization.
Yeah, it wasn't really a bubble that's going to burst, right?
Exactly.
Okay. Cathy Trevino with the Houston Association of Realtors. Great to have you with us.
Thank you
for the insight.
so much for having me. I appreciate it.
You bet. All right, Sally.